Kang Myung-sun. Kang Myung-sun, Korean, Kang Myung-sun, born 1974 in Seoul, South Korea, is a South Korean artist. Kang is well known for her mother-of-pearl design art. Kang graduated Hongik University in South Korea with a PhD in space design and a BFA in woodworking and furniture design. She challenges modern designs with her own study on physical properties of new materials and approach. Kang applies traditional lacquering techniques of 2,000-year history in an attempt to feature the delicate and iridescent quality of mother-of-pearl work. Selected solo exhibitions: 2006 Art Furniture Gallery I Seoul. Selected group exhibitions: 2015 Living in Art Roman II, Connect Xiaomi International, Los Angeles, CA USA, say, USAA. 2015 Living in Art I, Let's Art, Xiaomi International, Los Angeles, CA USA. 2013 Contemporary Korean Design 2 Our 20th Century Gallery, New York. 2012 Small Object Show, Our 20th Century Gallery, New York. 2009 Korea Tomorrow 2009, Setek, Seoul, Seoul. 2008 12 Furniture Designers, Sangsan Madang Art Square, Seoul. 2007 Professional Designers of Chungju International Craft Biennale, Chungju.